Okay, here I am at Waterloo. I haven't been here before, so I'm going to have a little bit of a wander around and see what I can spot. There's a strange smell here, like a burning smell. If I'm referencing a lot of smells, I'm actually very sensitive, so I can actually pick up very slight smells. It's probably all due to my immune system and my allergies and this whatever disorder I have. But yeah, I could smell a very slight burning sort of smell, but it seems to have sort of dissipated as I go up. That could be an indication of air quality down below, or it could be just, I don't know what it could be. Okay, so I'm going to tap out here. I'm actually going to go out and up and see what's at Waterloo, since I have not been here before. I like that a lot. Aboriginal portrait. Very nice touch. So again, some little bits of information around. And some lifts. Again, this is quite deep underground, this station. So there's another set of escalators to go up to street level. Whoa, this is steep. I love the artwork. Sorry, my bibliography does not pay it justice. So all in silver and gold, and they look like little feet in some kind of pattern. And the ceiling, wow, and the lights. Very geometric. I have to apologise to all my viewers if they have vertigo, are scared of heights, or have some other sensory disorder. I didn't mean to make my videos so spinny and so I don't know how you would call it, psychedelic. Okay, so this is Waterloo street level. It looks like it's a mix of residential and older buildings. I have not been here before, so interesting. I'm assuming parkland. Looks a little bit familiar, but maybe from another entrance. Some housing commission, I believe it looks like. It's in South Everleigh, so I'm assuming Redfern, Surry Hills, that kind of style of suburb. So I would not know where everything is around here. Anyway, I'm going to approach some of these ASME people and see if they've got any badges.
Oh, thank you. You do too.
Do you happen to have any badges?
I don't know.
No?
No.
Because I was told that some of the ASME staff might have some spares, so... No?
I might not have it. Maybe my team leader does. The one with the white hat.
Okay. Do you have any badges?
So it's given by the Sydney Metro staff in the dark blue shirt, right there in the two hats coming.
Where? Sorry?
I was just right.
Sorry.
The two people coming in the hats.
Oh, do they have badges? Do you guys have any spare badges? Thank you.
These are not going to last very long.
No, but you don't tell people. See, only the person at the station told me about the Ask Me staff having spare ones. But don't say you have any. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, have a good day.
Bye. Yay, score! So the illusive, this is what I was actually after. So I actually got one. Oh, okay. That was worth the journey to Waterloo then. I think Waterloo's actually not one of the major metro stations, so therefore I have more chance of getting one. Oh, that will give you a better picture of the artwork on the wall. It's absolutely beautiful. But I do like the touches of Aboriginal art and Indigenous art or Indigenous images around. It just makes it, I don't know, it has a calming effect for me. It's, I mean, that's part of Australian history and heritage, so yeah, can't exclude that. Okay, so that wasn't too bad going down that set of steep escalators. Now let's go back through the gates again, and I'm going to head to my next destination, which is Gadigal. Wrong gate. Okay, so I'm definitely going to use up my cat fare of $15. We don't want to exit, we want to go down to the station. Okay. Hopefully, oh yes, it's marked, so I won't get confused. Sometimes when I get off these metros, I forget which side of the platform I'm actually heading towards. So there's been a couple of times where I've ended up past Macquarie when I was meant to go towards Chatswood. So we're going on this side towards Talkawong in the city. So that sign is complete and updated. Okay, so 2 minutes wait. So again, every 5 minutes the metro trains are arriving and departing. So they're still keeping up with pace. I'll just point out these phones, these black phones. So, I'm sure they're pretty important.
The train to Talkawong is going to enter platform number 1.
So the screens are actually not fully operational at the moment. One screen is, the other side isn't. And then the advertising panels here are actually not filled yet as well. So a few details that are missing for now, but I'm sure they'll be shortly completed and filled in. Again, standard benches for the metro line, standard signage of the stations. Okay, floor markings, not as prominent as the manual chains on some of the stations, the major
Train
stations.
doors opening.
So I'm going to sit this time and not go to the front of the train because I've already filmed what I wanted to film for a video for my YouTube channel.
Please stand clear. Doors closing.
So my next stop will be Gadigal Station. Thanks for watching.